20th Century Fox Bloopers Roblox. Part 1. First take. Action. Oh my God, it's Kai! Why did you say Fox actually pictures? Because I get this is funny. He. It's not Fox actually pictures. It's 20th Century Fox. Okay? Bye. Okay, good. Next take. Action. Wait a minute! Cut! What did you say 20th Century Fox Home and Entertainment? Because I get to see the home and entertainment at your place. It's not 20th Century Fox Home and Entertainment. He's 20th Century Fox, okay? Fine. Okay, good. Next take. Action. What did the dad reverse it? Because the dad mind is funny. It's not a pushy wheel reverse, it's a pushy wheel normal, okay? Fine. Good. Next take. Action. Oh my gosh, Koi! What did you say, Fox Studios? Because I got this funny. It's not Fox Studios, it's 20th Century Fox, okay? Fine. Good. Next take. Action. Is the 20th Century Fox? Look why this is there to show like that. Because I guess it exploded another logo. Ah! Next take. Next take. Action! What is this? The catchy show. Because I get me. Next take. Next take. Action! Oh. another room. So like there. Yeah. Next take. Next take. Action! Oh my goodness! What happened? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What you destroyed the 20th Century Fox logo? I don't know if I destroy it, but this is not funny. He. Oh, it's not supposed to be destroyed. It's supposed to be normal, okay? Fine. Good. You're all right. Next take. Action. Cut. Oh my god. What is a 20th Century Fox solo? I don't know. Next take. Next take. Action. Wait, cut. Why you reverse it? Because this is funny to reverse it. It's not supposed to be a reverse it. This is so cool. It's not cool. And wait a minute. Okay, it's not supposed to be this so like this. So it's not supposed to be a reverse it. And what is the music? Start the fucking music in second. Wait till that sound. Okay? Fine. Good. Anyways, if you say one more time, you are fired. Okay, yeah. Well, you're all right. Final take. Action. Perfect. You not a fire. You the second to perfect. Yay! Okay. Now she chatted the 20th Century Fox. I guess it showed the next movie's animations. So then the next animation movie and so the another two. Bye. See you next time.